Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a Asian stir fry recipe. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. It's fairly simple. You have some cabbage here, a beef and pork blend, celery, green onions, fresh ginger and garlic, sesame oil, white wine vinegar, and basically salt and pepper, onion powder, and red chili flakes. Let's get into it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video for the Asian stir fry. You can see the list of ingredients here on the screen, but if you head down to the description box, you can find full recipe details. You'll also find nutrition information if you're looking for that as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you come back, and if you have any questions or comments on the recipe or any of the other videos, feel free to put them in the comments below. Until next time, bye-bye.